Hi dear students, today's topic is important questions of general knowledge of world asked in all above mentioned states. Number 1, subdivision of biosphere is land or lithosphere, air or atmosphere, and water hydrosphere. Number 2, actor Fahad Mustafa has become honorary police officer in Sindh province of Pakistan. Number 3, red color has maximum range in visible spectrum. Number 4, species to which human or we belong is Homo sapiens, Homo erectus, Australopithecus. Number 5, what is equinox? 2 times in the year when the sun crosses the planet of Earth's equator and day and night is of equal length, that is 20th March and 23rd September. Largest museum of the world is Louvre Museum in France. Is also largest visited by the people. Number 7, iceberg is a large mass of ice floating at the sea, broken part of a polar glacier. Shape of Earth is oblate sphere. The shape of Earth resembles a sphere, but not the exact shape of a sphere. The shape is an oblate spheroid due to its natural diurnal rotation. Number 9, Shah Amanat International Airport is an international airport of Bangladesh, southeastern port city of Chittagong, or Chittagong is the port city of Bangladesh, and there is also Shah Amanat International Airport. Foreign Minister of Bangladesh is Hassan Mahmood. Number 10, Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida. Number 11, a solstice is a moment in the year when the sun's apparent path is farthest north or south from Earth's equator. There are 2 solstices each year, one in December and second one in June. The word solstice comes from Latin word sol meaning sun and sister meaning to stand still. Number 12, Nobel Prize for 2021 for literature was given to Abdul Razak Gurnah of Zanzibar, Tanzania. Tanzania is a country of Africa. Number 13, Nobel Peace Prize for Peace was given to Maria Ressa of Philippines and Dmitry A. Muratov of Russia. Sometimes it is asked for their work. What was their work or what was their contribution? For their efforts to safeguard freedom of expression, which is precondition for democracy and lasting peace in any state. Number 14, Secretary General of SCO Zhang Ming visited Pakistan in July 2022. He is Chinese diplomat. Number 15, next SCO Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit will be held on 15th September 2022 in Uzbekistan, Samarkand. Samarkand is its capital. Number 16. China handed over PNS Taimur ship to Pakistan in July 22. Number 17. World Hepatitis Day is observed on 28th July. Birmingham Commonwealth Games started on 22nd July 2022. Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May 1886. Chicago. Pakistan became member of International Labour Organization in 1947. Number 21. I2U2. India, Israel means I2. US, UAE means U2 is a pact of group of countries. Joe Biden, the President of United States of America, visited Saudi Arabia and Israel or Middle East in July 22. Ex-PM of Japan, Shinzo Abe, was assassinated or killed on 8th July 2022. 24 question. Sweden and Finland joined NATO on 6th July 2022. US Congress ratified their entry into NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, established on 4th April 49. G7 summit was held in Germany in June 22. G7 has no permanent secretariat or headquarters. World Population Day was observed on 11th July. Population of world reached 8 billion. IMF loaned Pakistan 1.17 billion in August 2022 under which facility? Extended Fund Facility, EFF. Number 28. 24th parallel line lies in Run of Kutch between India and Pakistan. The boundary line between Afghanistan and Pakistan is called Durand Line, demarcated by Sir Mortimer Durand on 12th November 1893, which is 2,252 km long. The boundary between Pakistan and Iran is called Gold Line, which is 805 km long. The boundary between China and Pakistan is called Silk Line, or it is famous for Silk Route, which is 585 km long. Okay, wish you good luck. Keep writing this.